So you know you have this all together properly when you can push the trigger to step 1 and then step 2, and you can feel the spring, the 2 different spring tensions there. So we're functioning well. So you have the assembly all ready to go back in the gun, and as you're manipulating in your hand, you somehow push this bar up and you hear this click. Okay, and what happens is you've lifted the bar above the spring catch there, and this safety pin has actually come up. You can easily push it back down, so you think you're ready to go. Alright, so you take the assembly and you put it in the gun, but you find out you can't release this thing at all. It's stuck. Okay, and when I put the slide on, at this point the slide will go on, and when I lock it back I won't be able to release it. Okay, so the problem is that I allowed that bar to go behind it. So here's how we remedy the situation. Okay, simply lift the safety pin back up. Okay, rotate it over on top just like we did before, and you're going to rotate it over to that position right there, which is about a 4 o'clock position. We're going to push the catch, the slide catch, out of the way, and we're simply going to lift that bar, rotate it, and put it back down. Okay, did you see that? Now this is in line. It only rotates this far, and now we're in there. And we've got that above there, and I'm going to take that safety pin, just roll it back around and push it down. Okay. Then of course I go back where I keep my finger on here, keep my thumb, keep the pressure on there. That keeps that from popping off. Slide the catch up, get in position. Now I'm ready to go. Now I'm back to where I was right before you heard that click. So I'm going to make sure that I keep my, whenever I pivot around, I keep my finger on that. So I'm going to keep my finger right there, take it, put it back in, going to wiggle it in until it gets centered right, make sure it's behind it, in you go. So now I know, okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, I know I'm good. Push the catch up, slide the grip control up, put it back together, lock it out, slide it down, and I know I'm there. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? So we know we did it. So that's how we do it right. That's how we rescue if you get that bar popping out of the way when you didn't mean to.